Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. I just got my Melanie Martinez K-12 CD bundle just a few hours ago in the mail, and I was just waiting to open it so that I could do it on camera and we can check everything out together. Let's get right into it and see what we pull out first. I have my friend back with me again. He's gonna be on this channel a lot. All right, let's see. Ooh. Okay, there's some bubble wrap in there. Ooh, okay, I see the first thing already. Okay, let's just pull that out. So, the first thing I'm seeing, that is so cute. It's the cassette. Okay, I've literally never owned a cassette in my whole life. This is my first one. It is so cute. Look at that. K-12. Has the album cover there. That is so freaking cute. It's like never gonna get played though. I'm probably not ever gonna open this either out of the cellophane because why would I do that? So here is the CD-DVD combo itself. I actually went to Target the other day and picked up this one too, so I have just the CD and now the CD movie combo. This one I will open right now actually, so let's just check that out because I'm very curious to see what this looks like. Said I wasn't gonna do it, now I'm doing it. Oh well. If I want to watch the DVD then I kind of have to. Okay. So here is what it looks like when it opens. This is the girls' bathroom that we see in the movie. All right, and then you flip it over and there's this scene right here where she was talking to Lilith. And it looks like right here. All right, so that's the CD, which I'm sure most people have already seen that. And I want to check out the DVD too. I've not seen that myself yet. Oh, it's already so cute. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm so glad that I own this. Okay, cool. And in this middle compartment, or whatever you want to call it here, if I could get it to come out. Yeah, this is the booklet. K-12, and what we have in here is just song lyrics and screen caps from the movie. Oh, there's Melanie looking like a snack. Awesome. Okay, so that was the CD movie combo. Ooh, the next thing I'm gonna pull out is the class ring. Oh, that is really cute. Okay, have to open that. So it comes on a little thing like this. Oops. And it has a chain, so if it doesn't fit your finger, you could always wear it like a necklace. But anyway, that is a super cute piece of merch. What the hell? Does it fit on any of my fingers? Oh, it fits on my ring finger. Hell yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, so the very last piece of merch is the K-12 shirt. I went with the lilac color. I actually did not expect this to be embroidered. I expected it to be like a screen printing, but no, that's embroidered right on there. How cute is that? Hello? Okay, I see you, Melanie, I see you. came in the bundle, you had, again, we'll go over it, the CD movie combo, the shirt of whatever color you choose, there's about 4 options, the cassette, K-12 cassette, and the class ring, which the paper is, the plastic is stuck to it. Okay. So, this was one that was not only available on her merch store, but it was available on Hot Topic, or at Hot Topic. And it is the Heartstrings shirt from the show and tell part of the movie. Pretty freaking cute. It actually looks really good. So anyway, that was everything in the bundle. I just wanted to do a little unboxing and share it here on my channel because I figured why not? I think my favorite thing is this cassette because I've never had one before. It's kind of an old form of media that really no one uses anymore, but that's just still really cool to have something so modern on such an old kind of platform. Or, you know what I'm saying. One thing I want to say, not that Melanie is ever going to see this, but it is so nice to have you back. It is so wonderful to have this new project from you and to just, like you said, have it be a warm blanket to wrap myself in. As you know, she said that in the thank you letter to the fans in the back of the K-12 album booklet. I cannot wait to see what you do in the future. I know it's gonna just, you are gonna be getting better and better. It's gotten better and better with each project you've released, even though you've only done 2 so far. I love how you take your time and you do it the way you want it to be executed. Like, the way you want it to be executed is the way that it's done. I love that. And it really shows. The reason that movie and the album are so beautiful are because of you and your brain. Can I have a little piece of that, please? Excuse me? But anyway, yeah, I just really look forward to see what you do in the future. I can't wait for the next 2 movies. We're getting 2 more movies. What? Okay. So that is something I'm very much looking forward to, and it's just really nice to have you back.